In this video, we will learn how to connect your Workday to Authenticator app. To connect Workday to your Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, for multi-factor authentication, follow these steps. First, log in to your Workday account through the Workday app as usual. If your company has set up multi-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to set it up when you're logging in for the first time. After, your company requires to reset your MFA settings. Follow the instructions provided by Workday to set up MFA. It will guide you to connect your Authenticator app. These steps are: select your Authenticator app, such as Google or Microsoft. Then, open the Authenticator app on your phone. Inside the Authenticator app, select Add Account or Scan QR Code. Scan the QR code displayed on your Workday setup page using the Authenticator app. This will link your Workday account to the Authenticator app. Once scanned, the Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code just for you. Enter this 6-digit code. Then, the Workday setup page will be complete. You'll now be connected. Moving forward, when logging into Workday, it will be prompted to enter the 6-digit code generated by the Authenticator app, in addition to your username and password. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.